In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account using a non-Gmail email in just 5 minutes. It's a pretty straightforward process, but you do need to follow a few key steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and go to Google search. Simply type in create Gmail account and hit enter. This search will lead you directly to the account setup page. Here's a little tip. Even though we're setting up a Google account using a non-Gmail email, we start by heading to the Gmail account creation page because Google uses this as the gateway for all its accounts. Once the search results load up, click on the link that says create a Gmail account. This will take you to the initial account creation interface. Here, look for the option that says create account. You should find it easily, it's a prominent button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the purpose of the account. Whether you're creating the account for personal use or managing a business, choose the option that best fits your needs. Now, you're going to enter your name. Type in your first name and last name in the respective fields. After that, hit the next button. It's essential to ensure you're entering accurate details here for verification purposes later on. The next screen will ask for your birth date and gender. Fill these in accurately, then click next to proceed. And now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of creating a new Gmail address, click on use your existing email. This is the step that allows you to set up your Google account using your current non-Gmail email address. Enter your existing email address into the provided field and then click next. Google will send a verification code to your email address for security purposes. Check your email inbox for this code, and once you have it, return to the account setup page to enter the verification code in the respective field. Afterward, you may be prompted to follow a few additional steps depending on Google's security checks. These can include providing a phone number or completing CAPTCHA challenges. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure, so make sure you follow all prompts carefully. With all these steps completed, your non-Gmail Google account setup is nearly done. Just follow any remaining instructions on the screen to finalize everything. There you have it, a brand new Google account using your non-Gmail email. Remember, having a Google account opens up access to all Google services, and using a non-Gmail email can be a handy way to keep all your accounts organized under a single email address. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you set everything up smoothly.